Good morning, welcome back to a new vlog. What have we been printing today? Somebody asked me a question. Could you 3D print a model of people and pets? So I've come across this software and I'll show you it. But first, I'll just show you a couple of clips of what I've been up to. Well, this printer's ready. Yeah, that'll go with my collection, won't it? Awesome. I need some to film these, so I can do a time lapse. So I printed these. It fits the cameras that I'm going to order off Amazon when I get round to it. So I believe that goes like that. There we go. And then that camera fits in there to go there. Because these cameras on here are crap. I've done one that and done that one. Now you can have some time lapses when I get some cameras. My turtles are ready. They're good old flexes, these turtles, aren't they? Look at them. Movable legs. Multicolour. Not a lot of poop, to tell you the truth. Yeah, I like these. So they're ready. I've got my squidgies ready. Look at these. Everybody's selling them squidgies online, so I thought I'd 3D print a fidget one. I think I'm going to paint their eyeballs because it's cheaper painting it than printing it in multicolour. And that bit's ready, and that bit's ready, and that bit's ready. Because we're going to build. And ready for the next one. Saying, why don't you use a plastic scraper? Because sometimes it won't come off. You ready for the next one? Bear. Somebody asked me a question. Could you 3D print pets? So I've come across this software and I'll show you it. So I've come across this HI3D. So I have been playing with it, as you can see on this side. I just wanted to know what there was like. So just loading this model up what I did earlier, and it didn't come up too good. So there's a few features it's got. It's got text to image, it's got 3D generation, and it's got split to print, which I'm really interested in that one, to tell you the truth, but I'll show you that in a bit. But as I'm messing around on their website, because there's loads of stuff you can do, I come across the templates. So the templates, it says pet figure here. It says it creates your pet. So let's upload an image from the computer. Here's the dog and Maria, and it's a pet. So we'll upload the image, and that's all you have to do. And then press generate, which costs 16 tokens. Now in your account, there's different pricing, but it's free. You get 100 credits free, so it's worth trying, isn't it? If you're into 3D printing, because I know a lot of you have been asking me questions to print a dog, but here you can do it for free. So we'll press the generate button, and it looks like it's going to give me 4 images. As you can see, it's really quick. I've been playing about with it for days. It's awesome. So we'll let this convert, and there you are, just a nick of time. So it's come up with these 4. So remember, you get 100 credits and you get 4 images to start with. I'll come across the pricing in a bit and you'll be very shocked, but let's go through the features first, see if it's worth it. So you've got this one, this is little Ralph. You can even, boom, it's done. We've got a few there. It'd be nice if it were on a stand, wouldn't it? So let's retry. As you can see, you can retry it and it doesn't cost anything. So you just keep regenerating until you find the image you want. As you can see, it's doing it correctly, but I want one with a stand, and it had give me one again. Maybe we can do that in the feature, I'm not sure. Ralph's got its tail, it's got the proper chest, and it's got a collar, and it does look like his face. So we are going to do that, which image to 3D is 25 credits. Let's do that then. So that's just converting, doing its magic, whatever. Do you remember Whopper in TV films? Or war games.
The Whopper has already fought World War III as a game.
Reminds me of this, doesn't it? AI. Weird how AI works. Really does. But I haven't come across a feature I haven't liked on here so far. except the first one. But remember, it is AI. You've just got to play around with it to get it right. But the question you've all been asking, can you make a 3D print of my pet? We're going to find out, aren't we? I'm sure it will. And there we go. It's converted to a 3D model from a picture to the dog. So what we got in the edit, can we put a stand on him in here? Here we go, look, add base. What's this one look like? Base 1. Oh, okay. Base 5. Are the different sizes? Nope, the different heights. So we'll just go with base 1. So on the features on the left, if you press scale, we can have this larger or smaller. So it does have a lot of features, but we'll just do this to see how it goes without no base and see if it'll print as it is. So you can edit him and put him in different colours, but we'll have a go at printing him and hopefully it'll work. Just regenerating the image, and what we're going to do is download him on a different model but sat down so you don't need a stand, and we're going to print him and we're going to open him up in Bamboo. I wonder if it imports the colours. It did import the colours, but it looks like it's got 6 colours, which is a lot. So on here maybe we can get rid of the red colour, because I'm assuming that's its eyes. So it's in grey. So what we'll do with him, we'll scale him up to 150%. Oh, he's not allowed that big. 130%, yeah, that'll do. So we can have him at 130%. Let's arrange him in the middle. And then what we'll do, we'll press print on him and see what he comes out like. And by the way, they're printing now. If we go in the templates again, we can turn this into a figurine cartoon. Now, I'm interested in caricaturing myself, but that has come out perfect. Send to Bamboo printer. And look at that, it's imported. It didn't import the colours, but that ain't a problem, because what you can do is colour them in. But there's a feature there where it says multicolour, which is a brand new feature. Good morning, another day. But last night it printed, didn't it? Look at that, Ralph. So that bit of the software works. Right, this is the feature I've really been wanting you to find, right? Because it's split to print. So you can imagine building a massive R2D2 like I did, and basically you only can fit up to 240mm on your build plate, which that is your build plate basically. So you only can fit a model that fits on there. So split to print, basically, if you wanted to build a massive model like an R2D2, what I did, you can do it in this feature. There's a little gnome there, isn't there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we just try 5 parts? See what happens. Split the print. So we generated an image of an elephant with a beard, and then I've seen a gnome, which I like even better, and he's brought a gnome up. I don't know why it's done different colours, but I'm assuming that them parts are going to be split. So we could have a ball connector, a pin, dovetail, which is probably one of the strongest joints. So we'll stick with ball, and we'll generate the ball joints. See, if we give him ball joints, his arms and his legs should move, shouldn't they? If we explode him, there he is. But they're just flat pieces. We need connectors, don't we? Like a ball. So it like moves, and there we go. It's generated, and as you can see, it's got the balls on it, which these are the ball holes as well. Okay, that looks good. So what we'll do, we won't colour him. We'll do that on another feature. So we will download this model and we'll print him. What's the arrange to print? New. Oh, it's laid it down on the plate. That's amazing. I'll send it to the Bamboo slicer. We'll open up the Bamboo now. It's sending it to the printer, and there we go. It's sent it to the printer. So we've got 2 legs, 2 arms, and an head. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to send that to the printer as it is, because I don't want to do it in multicolour, because if it goes wrong, then it's a lot of filament wasted in it, and I've left everything default, so hopefully all the fittings should fit. So that'll be ready in 8.5 hours. Look at that for a model. So a multicolour print, so we'll generate that, because it looks like a bit of a horror, doesn't it? But why? That is a model and a half, innit? I just created this model, tell you the truth. So I just thought I'd try this model, and you can do your ID colours, so you can change it. So that one with 8 colours. So colour count, 3 colours. There we go, 3 colours. That'll be perfect, won't it, to print? And we'll download it as a 3MF. And there you go. It's in the software to be printed. And you can change the colours in here if you want. You can put him with black overalls on. You can have him with white overalls. So as you can see, you can play about with him. And you can make him as big as you want, because you can scale him. We could have him 100%. I am going to press print on him. I do like the 15:36 resolution on it. Did you know that this software, or should I call it an online based AI software? I don't know, it's not software because you don't install it on your computer, do you? I reckon, I know you've got a YouTube channel, Glam Nails, and you're watching. So I reckon if you chose the right filament, I bet you could print your 3D nails in anything you'd like, any design you could put on them. And Maggie, I know you're watching as well, and I know you like doing homemade gifts. Imagine making your own gifts. Now, there's a viral thing going around that, but I don't think it's viral anymore. It's called Warhammer, right? And everybody's into it. I don't get it myself, but can you imagine making your own model, 3D models in it? You never know, it could turn into a franchise or something, couldn't it? But you can create your own in this software, which is, because you've created it yourself, you have got the rights to sell it as well. Paint it, colour it, do what you want. And by looking at the top of this screen, it looks like you get 8,000 bonus credits as well. I'm just going to press upgrade. So currently I'm on the Pro version, which is £4.50 a month, which gives me 1,000 credits a month. But you can go on the complete free version, which gives you 100 credits a month. But I needed to have a lot of credits to show you this, because I'm generating 2 or 3, 4, maybe 5 different projects. But I did use my free credits to try it, and I really enjoyed it. So I upgraded to the £4.50 a month one, which if you're doing a lot of models, you can go up to the 9. If you're doing lots and lots, you can go up to 28 quid. Good morning. I just thought I'd come on and say, my model's finished. That's finished. That's finished with a ball. That's finished with a ball. The leg's finished with a ball. And of course the other legs. But the question is, does it fit inside? It's a tight fit, isn't it? Oh, it goes in. But it moves. And we'll put that in there. Right, are the arms going to go on? See, the legs have gone on fine, but it's a bit tight getting it in there. I reckon that ball could have been a bit bigger. But it does go in, but when you twist it, I don't know if you can see it there, it's just hitting that little side thing there, his little collar, so his arms don't move. But it fits in. It took some getting in, but it went in, but you can't turn it on the arm because it's hitting his collar. But the legs do move. It's just, his arms, they're just basically, as you can see, it's just hitting it. But I reckon if you filed it a little bit, it'd work fine. So the other question is, the print version, it only did it. Look at him. It took overnight to print because it's a lot of colours. But that has come out perfect. Can you see it? Not a thing wrong with it. I reckon it'd look brilliant, massive. I am going to be playing around with this quite a lot because I can see some good videos coming up. So, if you've got a pet and you want me to create the model, so anybody with a pet, stick it in the comments and let's create some pets, because I really enjoyed that. So if you like a little pop at this AI software, then the link will be in the description with a discount code And also, the first 200 people that subscribe to it or make an account and have a go, you'll get an extra 500 credits. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one, where we're doing some pet models.